Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix glitter texture is not working in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined Dress to Impress, and then I'm going to show you how we can fix the glitter is not working in your Dress to Impress. If you face the problem, I recommend you to go to your Dress to Impress setting right here, and then you're going to change the graphic quality. You can select the high graphic quality so you can enable the glitter. Actually, I have enabled it, but sometimes is not appearing. But wait, let me try another outfit. I'm just going to take off this dress and I'm going to try, let's try this one, and then I'm going to change the texture to glitter. Okay guys, and this is how the glitter texture looks like, but you need to remember that sometimes the glitter is still not working even though we set the graphic too high. Sometimes the glitter disappear, and then when you make a movement the glitter will be back, and I still doesn't know why this has happened to my Roblox or my Dress to Impress. And okay guys, that's all the way to fix glitter texture not working in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.